Hi, welcome back to the channel. Every diagnosis begins before you even see the vehicle. Careful questioning reveals crucial information about when symptoms occur, under what conditions, and how they progressed over time. Questions should be open-ended yet specific. When exactly does the noise occur, rather than does it make noise when turning? The difference yields significantly more useful information. Always verify the complaint yourself. Many diagnostic paths lead to dead ends because the technician misunderstood the nature of the issue. Document the conditions under which the problem occurs: temperature, engine speed, vehicle speed, and other relevant parameters. Before disassembling anything, research known issues with the specific vehicle, especially manufacturer-issued technical service bulletins. This step alone can save hours of diagnostic time by identifying common failure patterns. Perform a comprehensive visual inspection. Modern problems often have surprisingly simple causes. A disconnected sensor, damaged wiring harness, or a loose ground connection can create complex symptoms. Test basic systems, battery, charging system, fuel pressure, to establish a baseline for further diagnosis. After gathering preliminary data, develop a hypothesis and design tests to prove or disprove it. This evidence-driven approach prevents the common trap of confirmation bias, where technicians only seek information that supports their initial assumption. When a fault is located, don't stop at the immediate issue. Determine what caused the failure to prevent recurrence. A failed water pump might be the result of a faulty thermostat that caused overheating, for example. Effective diagnosis requires both traditional tools and advanced equipment. Compression gauges, vacuum gauges, pressure testers, multimeters, and test lights remain essential for fundamental testing. These tools often provide the most direct evidence of mechanical and basic electrical conditions. Professional-grade scanners provide access to manufacturer-specific data pads, or parameter IDs, bidirectional controls, and coding functions. However, scan tools should be viewed as data collection devices, not diagnostic solutions in themselves. Perhaps the most underutilized yet powerful diagnostic tool, oscilloscopes allow visualization of electrical signals that multimeters cannot capture. They reveal intermittent glitches, communication errors, and subtle signal abnormalities that would otherwise go undetected. Infrared temperature guns and imaging systems quickly identify abnormal heat patterns, indicating restrictions, friction problems, or electrical resistance issues. Diagnostic trouble codes often lead inexperienced technicians astray. A P0301 code, cylinder 1 misfire detected, doesn't mean replace the ignition coil on cylinder 1. It simply reports that the PCM has detected a misfire on that cylinder. The cause could be fuel-related, ignition-related, mechanical, or even a false detection due to another issue. Proper DTC interpretation involves understanding what conditions set the code, testing the affected system components systematically, analyzing freeze-frame data to see conditions when the fault occurred, and looking for patterns in multiple codes that might indicate a root cause. Diagnostic mastery requires lifelong learning through regular training on new systems and technologies, participating in professional forums and communities, studying successful diagnostic case studies, developing and documenting your own diagnostic procedures, and reflecting on unsuccessful diagnoses to identify improvement opportunities. Automotive diagnosis has evolved dramatically, but its core principles remain unchanged: systematic investigation, evidence-based decision-making, and thorough understanding of vehicle systems. The most successful diagnosticians combine old-school mechanical knowledge with modern technological fluency, applying both to solve complex problems efficiently. By cultivating the diagnostic mindset and following a methodical process, technicians can accurately identify root causes, reduce comebacks, and build a reputation for solving problems that others cannot. The journey to diagnostic mastery is continuous, but the principles outlined here provide a solid foundation for anyone seeking to develop these invaluable skills. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to this channel for more informative videos.